What is up, YouTube? I just doing another bike check because we got a few extra parts. After I went to Ollie's on Friday, stayed until Saturday morning. So, like usually, I have my gold Haro brand new rim, my green failure forks, my fly stem, I got new Sunday. These were mine, but I got them back. They're Sunday Triumph blue bars. They're like 28 width. And then, well, I got my S&M just sticker frame. And then now to the middle, I got my brand new Eastern Stealth cranks. My Odyssey pink twisted pedals. They're the glow in dark ones. They glow in the dark. I got a fly chin wheel, which is totally shitty, but I'm gonna change it because I got a Eastern I got a shadow one. I have purple. And then I have my E-Class C, which comes on the bar, E-Class C and post, which is a combo. And then I got my new rim back here. I got a free coaster now. I got a blue rim, black nipples, white spokes, and then I got a KHE like smoke chrome free coaster. If you can see it. It's like new. I traded it for some shitty rim that was like casty. I'm looking for a white front rim or something to trade for my gold one. Or black. I'll trade for a black or a black. I'll trade for a black or something. Just tell me if you want to trade parts. It depends if you want to trade back rims, because if you got a free coaster, I'll probably trade. But if you don't have a free coaster, I'll have to see the rim, because my back rim is like $250. So, yeah. Get at me. I'm selling my bike actually for $400 still. So, tell me what you think. Leave all your stuff, all your comments. See you later.